Hi everyone, it's Car here. Today I'm going to do a taste test review of Dentyne Ice Artic Chill Sugar-Free Gum. And you get 16 pieces of gum in this pack. I paid $1.99 for this, so let's try one of these gums out. I mean, it's okay. I think I like it better than fresh Mentos gum I just tried. But yeah. I'm gonna give it a uh, 9 out of 10. So let me know what you think. You try this, yes or no? Yeah, this is like a strong icy mint flavor to it, I think. That's what I got from it, but yeah. So I'm gonna think, would you try this? Like I said, and if there are suggestions for gums you want me to try that I haven't tried yet, let me know. And I'll take them into consideration. And I appreciate you watching, and thank you for watching, and see you next time for next taste test review. Bye now.